Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Biscuits. Started off like I was talking about my main channel. So today, this is a new recipe that we're gonna try. I thought about it. I didn't see it. I wasn't inspired by anything else. I'm not saying it hasn't been done before. I just haven't seen it done before. So we are going to do biscuits stuffed with sloppy Joe meat. So just store-bought can of jumbo flaky biscuits, and then I have my leftover sloppy Joe meat from the other night, 2 pounds ground beef, can of the sloppy Joe sauce, and some minced onion, like the dehydrated. You can always use fresh onion if you rather, but I like to use dehydrated. So I just keep things nice and simple. It's a good way to use up some leftovers. I've also got some cheese to put inside as well. A little bit of garlic and pepper salt. I love this stuff. You can find it at Dollar Tree. It's got your garlic seasoning, your pepper, and your salt all in one. So fantastic. And I've got 1 egg white here. And so we're gonna we're gonna go ahead and spray down a cooking sheet. My oven is preheating at 350 degrees. And we're gonna froth this egg up really quickly. And we'll add a little water with it. So once our egg white is nice and frothy, we can set that off to the side. Now I know I've got a little bit of egg right here on the counter, but the counter was clean prior to the egg, and I'm gonna put the egg on top of the biscuits anyway, so like, I'm not gonna worry about it. If that bothers you and it happens on your counter, feel free to clean it off, but I'm not too concerned. So this recipe is kind of experimental. So we're gonna do 350 in the oven, because that's what these bake at normally. And then we're gonna start them off at 20 minutes, I think, is a fair place to start, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay, so we're gonna take our biscuits and just we wanna flatten them out a little bit. If you wanna get fancy and use a rolling pin, by all means, go ahead. But you can just use your hands as well. I mean, a rolling pin maybe it'll be faster, I don't know. So, nice little rolled out biscuit here. We're gonna take like a tablespoon or so of our sloppy Joe meat. Again, mine is leftover. Mine is cold from last night, so mine might take a little longer to cook. I think this is just going to make for a great way to use up leftover sloppy Joe. It's kind of my thoughts here. I don't know if I'd make sloppy Joe specifically for this, but if you have leftovers on hand, it might be a good way to use them up. So now we're going to fold this over and try to pinch it together. Maybe I should have rolled it out a little bit more, but I think that looks nice. It's gonna look a little bit like a empanada. Is that what they're called? Nice little, almost like a little dumpling almost. There you go, perfect, ready to go. Put it on, we'll keep going. So I think I'm gonna roll that out just a little bit further than what I had, just so I have, I mean, that worked out pretty well, but I just wanna have a little extra room to play with when I'm folding it over. And one normal dish spoon, whatever you want to call that, seemed to fill that pretty well. So just one nice little heaping spoonful of our mixture there. A little bit of cheese. So what have you guys been doing? We just got back from the reservoir. My kids are tired. They got to play a little bit in the water. Not swim, but you know, ankle deep. And they were throwing rocks and running and playing in the grass, and they are tired. It's been a long day. I actually vlogged today, so if you guys want to go check it out on my other channel, feel free to do that. Just one more for you guys, a little bit faster, but more close up. Okay, so I'm gonna finish rolling all of these up, and then I will get with you when it's time to brush the egg white on top. Okay, I've got all of my little biscuits here stuffed with the sloppy Joe mix. I'm gonna give my egg white one more quick frothing, and we're just gonna brush this on to help give the biscuits a nice golden brown look. And again, that's just 1 egg white. Okay, that's simple. And the rest of that can go on top of my dog's food. So to this now, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of the garlic pepper seasoning and a touch of cheese on top because everybody likes cheese. And this is gonna melt and make a nice, beautiful, crispy, golden, cheesy crust. Okay, into the oven for 20 minutes to start. Okay guys, they just came out of the oven. They went in for exactly 20 minutes and that worked perfectly in my oven. Keep in mind, everybody's ovens are a little bit differently. This worked perfectly for mine. They look beautiful, like nice golden, crispy top on them. They smell delicious. Let's open one up. This nice cheesy guy back here. They're still quite warm. Kind of see the cheese and the meat on the inside in there. Let's give them a little bit of a taste test. Hot, oh my God. So hot. It's so good. Oh, that tastes delicious, y'all. Nice little sloppy Joe pocket. Maybe that's what we'll call them. They're good. I love the flaky, crispy crust on top with the cheese and the salt and the pepper. Super tasty. Got some mashed potatoes and green beans going on the stove behind me to go as a side with our dinner tonight. And that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you're new here to Biscuits, maybe you will hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out with the algorithm. See if there's anything else you'd like to watch. Don't forget to check me out over on my main channel. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye!